Deus salve aí. Mais um vídeo aí nas ruas à noite.
Mais uma correria aí na night.
I know how it feel to wake up, fucked up. Pockets broke as hell, another rock to sell. People look at you like you's the user, selling drugs to all the losers, mad Buddha abuser. But they don't know about your stress-filled day. Baby on the way, mad bills to pay. That's why you drink Tanqueray, so you can reminisce and wish you wasn't living so devilish. Shit, I remember I was just like you, smoking blunts with my crew, flipping those 62s, cause GED wasn't B.I.G. I had to get P.A.D. That's why my mom hate me. She was forced to kick me out, no doubt. Then I figured out Knicks went for 20 down south. Packed up my tools for my raw power move. Glock 19 for casket and flower moves. For Trump's trying to stop my flow. And what they don't know will show on the autopsy. Went to see Poppy to cop me a brick. Asked for some consignment, he wasn't trying to hear it. Smoking mad Newports cause I'm doing court for an assault that I caught in Bridgeport.
Mais uma vez pra vocês aí, ó. Silval.
É nóis aí, na noite de Minecraft, sempre representando a cultura dos pés. Salve, representa essa cena aqui, vai.
Minecraft, isso aí. É nóis, já é.
A day in the life of a fool.
É nóis, já é.